Sprite challenge. We have mini ones, but we're going to be using the whole pack. 2. Each of us is going to get 2. That way it's fair. Hey guys. Yeah, scuba. My sister went to go get a tripod, even though we figured it out. So.
What's up, guys? We're gonna be doing the Sprite challenge today with these little tiny things. Like, this is my hand, right? This is a pop.
Don't crush it with your hand.
Tiny.
I found the tripod. It's fine. Okay.
I found one.
I'm scared. Okay.
All right, are we ready?
No. I'm scared. You're gonna be the fastest. Hey, you're dripping.
It's not my fault. They overfilled it. Look, they really did. Like, look how much more is in there.
Oh gosh.
All right, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
3. Remember, as soon as you're done with the first one, you go straight to the next one.
Okay.
And you can't stop. You're supposed to chug it.
No, if you can't. No, you can't do that.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that hurts. Oh my gosh.
My heart hurts.
Yeah. Oh.
I burped, guys. What the flip? Oh. Well, that was great. Oh.
I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone.
I still got one to go.
I didn't burp either. That's making me nervous.
Why?
Well, I don't know.
This is warm.
I don't like it. I don't like that.
I feel like I have to throw up, but I feel like it's burp though.
Fuck you.
It hurts so bad.
There's so many just empties right
I
here.
think it would be like dangerous.
Skipping the one chip challenge.
I'm the only one that hasn't burped yet.
That's crazy. That hurts so bad.
Oh my god.
Come on, drink up.
Jeez. Unleashing demons.
Chug it. Come on, go.
I can't.
Chug it. That's what I did. You have to hurt like heck. I'm sweating like crazy. You burped.
This is disgusting. Video.
Yeah, it's so disgusting.
Matches the Sprite can.
That's crazy. That was only 7.
7.5
These are 7.5.
So,
15 ounces.
minutes long. And some of them I care.
Good.
No, don't.
You gotta drink it. Wait, did you finish yours?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It hurts.
There it is. Oh, it's hurting worse right now.
6 Sprite cans gone in the span of 5 minutes and about to be 6.
Your arm's all the way up.
Okay. Well.
So God. Look at my muscles, gang. I'm so strong.
Bye, guys.
Oh, bye.
Messages, I don't